Remi Tinubu, Ome Yaloja. Shame on you guys entirely. These people has the money, even though Nigeria will know, let Tinubu alone borrow Nigerian money to make sure everything is stable. But no, Nigeria cannot survive because it is clearly that Nigerian today it is not the unity of both of us. We are not signed that agreement to be one, and then we can never be one till that Jesus come. We can never be one unless we are deceiving ourselves. Now, this is what Awolowo said, and order. This is what he said. I'm going back to their comment. I'm going back to their root of comment and see what each of them said. First of all, I will first go to the what Nnamdi Azikiwe, what this man said in 1964. Let both of us just read it together and know and see exactly where the Nigerian having a problem. Nnamdi Azikiwe said that it is better. Look at that statement. He said it is better for us and many adherents abroad that we should disintegrate in peace, not in pieces. Should the politician fail to heed this warning, tẹ́ ẹ bá fail o torí yín bá burú ẹ̀yin politician ẹ̀yin olóṣèlú, tẹ́ ẹ kọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ ìkìlọ̀ yìí, tẹ́ ẹ kọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ kọ̀ etí ikú sí ìkìlọ̀ yìí, tẹ́ ẹ kọ̀ tí iye yín ò sí sí ìkìlọ̀ yìí, I will venture the prediction that the experience máa dẹ̀ jẹ́ kí ẹ mọ̀ wípé mo lè sọ wípé tí ó padà wá ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ìjọba alágbádá tá a gbé dání yìí, the democratic tí ó padà wá ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí máa jẹ́ kí ẹ mọ̀ wípé the Democratic Republic of Congo, ìyẹn ni pé àwọn tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àwọn tí wọ́n ti wà ní Congo tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọn yìí, it will be a child play. Erémọdé ló máa jẹ́, erémọdé ló máa jẹ́. If ever it comes to our turn, tó bá padà wá bá wa lẹ̀ Nàìjíríà, tó bá padà wá kàn wá, erémọdé ló máa jẹ́. Play such a strategy role tí ẹ sì mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ sì ń gbèrò aburú bẹ́ẹ̀ sí ìran yín. Nnamdi Azikiwe said it in 1964. Then that is 4 years after that independence. We got independence in 1960, and then this statement came 4 years after the independence. And then why Nnamdi Azikiwe said it? Yeah, it has the right. Nnamdi Azikiwe have the right to say this statement. If you remember that after 12 days that we have independence, let me go and bring it, because we need to have the fact. We need to have an evidence to fight, not to just open the mouth and talk. The reason why Nigeria will not work, I will go to which Ahmadu Bello, no, Tafawa Balewa statement said, the new estate called Nigeria. Let me just speak it like that. Those who have read it will understand. The new, that is, we have independence in 1960. Then in October 1st, 1960, October 12th, 1960, Ahmadu Bello got, he have an interview said, the new estate called Nigeria is an estate of our great-great-grandfather, Usman Tidanfodo. We will not allow the power to shift and so on and so on. We will use the northern minority to conquer the majority in the south, and we will not allow them to rule over laws. And also, we will not allow them to rule over their future, over our own future. Àwọn olórí burúkú over future tèmi àti ẹ wàhálà máa yà máa ń jẹ wá o. Over future èmi àti ẹ future wa ni o. Àwọn òbèrè kan sọ pé àwọn òǹtò nígbà kí èmi àti ẹ kárù over future wa. Àwọn òbèrè kan sọ pé àwọn ò ní gbà kí èmi àti ẹ ká tún control future wa. Olúwa Ọlọ́run alágbára o, ṣé yóò ti wá jẹran, ṣé yóò ti jẹ rárá yìí. Nígbà tí àwọn kan bá dúró pé àníṣe future èmi àti ẹ gan fún alára wa, future tí èmi àti ẹ gan gbé dání, àwọn ò ní gbà kí èmi àti ẹ ká rí future òun ká rí lò. àwọn ò ní gbà kí èmi àti ẹ kárí ògùn ayé wa lò, àwọn ò dúró pé lágbára Ọlọ́run àgbọ̀lọ̀ rí lò. Ṣé inú ìjọba bẹ́ẹ̀ ń lè ní àti ẹ fẹ́ dúró sí? Ṣé ibẹ̀ lèmi àti rò pé ohun tó dáa ti fẹ́ jáde? No, kò sí nǹkan kan tó fẹ́ tibẹ̀ jáde tó lè dáa. Tí ò dáa lọ́rọ̀ Nàìjíríà. That is the statement of Nnamdi Azikiwe in 1964. Let us go back to the statement of Obafemi Awolowo. What Obafemi Awolowo says about Nigeria, about what will happen to Nigeria if Guy is not taken. This is statement for Nnamdi Azikiwe. Now I'm going to the statement of Obafemi Awolowo. Look at Obafemi Awolowo's statement. Obafemi Awolowo says Nigerian is not a nation. So clear, so underlined, so straightforward that Nigerian is not a nation. It's a mere geographical expression. There are no Nigerians. Kò sí tó ń jẹ́ Nigeria in the same sense. Pẹ̀lú ọpọlọ kankan as there as English, Willis and France. The word Nigeria, quoted it. The word Nigerian is a distinctive appellation to disguise those who live within the boundaries. Those who live within the boundaries of Nigeria and those who do not. We are not live within the boundary of Nigeria, and those who do not. Awolowo said this even before the independence in 1947. Because 1914 was when the amalgamation came in. Amalgamation came in 1914 after this. Lord Macaulay have traveled across the Africa. Well, Macaulay said, I've traveled across the length of Africa. I've never seen anyone who is a beggar or thief of such wealth that I saw in that nation. And he was writing to British Parliament that I don't think that we will be able to conquer this nation unless we change our old and ancient educational system, our culture and our heritage. If African believe that all that is foreign and English language are greater, better than their own, they will lose that self-esteem. And then what are we talking about? I will never have said it clearly that there is nothing called Nigerian. Nigerian, it is not a nation. We believe we are not a what? We are not a nation. The British should leave us. That is what Awolowo said. Those are the people that hold Nigeria. Those are the people that fight for the freedom of Nigeria. Let us go and see what Tafawa Balewa said also. This is Tafawa Balewa's statement. Tafawa Balewa said this statement, and let's read it together. Tafawa Balewa said, since 1914, the British government has been trying to make Nigerian into a one country. Only but the Nigerian people themselves are historically different in their backgrounds, in their religions, beliefs, and custom, and do not show themselves any sign of willingness to unite. We are not showing ourselves any sign of willingness to unite. Don't force us to unite. That is why I said today's topic, the persistence of disunited. The reason for Nigeria persistent disunited. We will continue disunite. We will continue disagree. We will continue loving ourselves. We will continue have dialogue. It is not possible. We cannot be one. Let them continue. Let them continue. Let them continue. One day we break, we break. One day Mangi will go back, we will come back. That is the truth. Those are the people who understand Nigerian very well. He said Nigeria are different. Nigeria are historically different in their backgrounds, their religions, beliefs, and customs, and they do not show themselves any sign of willingness to unite. Nigerian unity, it is only British invention. Nigerian unity, it is only a British invention. Nigerian unity, it is only a British invention. Tafawa Balewa said it in 1948. Do we still believe we are one Nigeria? No, we are not one. We can never be one. Then after that, there is what we call a fraudulent constitution, which was given to us as a constitution to use. But let us listen to what Nigeria constitution says. The constitution that was read flawlessly, the constitution that was destroyed, the constitution that can never give for the peace. Let us hear from one senator from our state.
This constitution can never give us unity. And unfortunately, most of us in this National Assembly,
that is Nigeria today.
We don't have
that
this
constitution
to
can
face
never
what we
give
need
us
to
the
give
peace.
this
That
republic
constitution
to have peace
can
and
never
progress.
give us the
What do I
unity.
mean?
That constitution
This
can never give
constitution
us the progress.
has 68 items. 68 on the exclusive list. This constitution has only 12 on the concurrent list, and those 12 are written so nebulously, so fraudulently, that you know that the intention is to even undermine those concurrent lists. The formal name of this republic is Federal Republic of Nigeria. Unfortunately, we don't run a federalist system in Nigeria. Otherwise, what is so unique about all those things that are in the exclusive list? In this chamber, we try to federalize the police system. In this chamber, we failed. Every crime is local. And the solution to every crime is local. The earlier that senators in Nigeria summoned the courage to say, we should not continue to deceive ourselves. I dare to tell this nation today that this is the problem. This constitution can never give us progress. This constitution can never give us peace. This constitution can never give us unity. And unfortunately, most of us in
As you can see, that constitution can never give us the progress. That constitution can never give us peace. Then why are we deceiving ourselves to become one Nigeria? We can never become one Nigeria. Buddha afeo tabako a lejekan. A lè padà jẹ́ kan torí pé tí wọ́n fi so wá pọ̀ kì í ṣe tó lè mú ká jẹ́ kan. Kò sí ìṣọ̀kan nínú constitution tí wọ́n fún wa. Kò sí ìṣọ̀kan nínú tí wọ́n gbé wọlé wa lọ́wọ́. Kò sí ìṣọ̀kan nínú tí wọ́n máa bí ká máa lò. Kò sí ìṣọ̀kan nínú tí Nàìjíríà gbé fún wa. A kàn ń tanra wa ní, à ń dìísí fara wa ní, à ń múra wa ṣeré ní, à ń bára wa nínú jẹ́ ní. Tá a bá sọ wípé ìṣọ̀kan Nàìjíríà kò sí tó ń jẹ́ ṣọ̀kan. Ohun tó ti kú ni wọ́n ń pè ní ṣọ̀kan Nàìjíríà, kò sí tó ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Àyàfi kí Olódùmarè kó ràn wá lọ́wọ́ ni. Now tí àwọn èèyàn wá ń jáde tí wọ́n ń fi ẹ̀hónú hàn pé bí nǹkan ṣe le kókó, bí nǹkan ṣe le tó, ṣùgbọ́n láti lè jẹ́ kó mọ̀ wípé ìṣọ̀kan Nàìjíríà ò lè work, láti lè kẹ́mi pé ìṣọ̀kan Nàìjíríà ò lè ṣiṣẹ́, ìjọba dẹ̀ tó ń fi owó ra àwọn ènìyàn. Ìjọba ń ṣe kí ni o? Ìjọba ń fi owó, wọ́n fi ń ra àwọn ènìyàn. Ìjọba ń fi owó láti ra àwọn ènìyàn láti disturb a peaceful protest tí àwọn ènìyàn ń ṣe. Ṣàwa níjọba nù. Kò sí ìjọba torí pé ìjọba mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ ń ṣe àwọn nǹkan wọ̀nyí láti rí wípé àwọn ènìyàn ò béèrè fún ẹ̀tọ́ wọn lọ́nà tó tọ́. Àwọn èèyàn sọ wípé àwọn fẹ́ ṣe peaceful protest, ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń pretend pé ẹ̀dẹ̀ ni pé mọ̀ wípé ẹ̀yin ilẹ̀ mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ rán àwọn tọ́gì, ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń spend owó láti fún àwọn ènìyàn 5,000 1,000 láti disturb protest, peaceful protest. then kí wàá la wá sọ Nigeria ò lè work. We just don't need to deceive ourselves anymore unless if you don't want to hear the truth. That country